Hi children, welcome to grade 5 English and today we are going to start a new chapter. Yes, chapter number 5, The Three Spinning Women. Are you all excited children? And before getting into our session, let's do an energizer. Children, share about one thing that you hate to do and say why. You can answer this in your English note and you can send me through grade 5 English Google Classroom. And children, we are going to start chapter number 5, The Three Spinning Women. And we are going to learn some new words. In concept book page number 83, let me read the first word. Impatience. Restlessness, inability to wait for anything. When someone is very restless, okay, and not at all patient, we call them as impatience, okay. Inability to wait for anything. Next one is skein, thread or yarn, okay, thread or yarn. Vigorously, with great strength and effort. When you are doing something with our full potential, that is our full strength and effort, when we are doing something, it is vigorously. Ashamed, embarrassed or guilty, okay, when you have done something wrong, what we will feel very ashamed, right? When others are scolding us or our parents are saying something, we will feel guilty or ashamed. Yes, that is what we call it as ashamed. And next one is flax, a plant that is cultivated for its linseed. We get linseed from this flax plant and the fiber made from its stalks. Okay, with the help of fiber from this plant we can able to make skein. Okay, yes. And industry, hard work. Industry, hard work. Okay, in this story the meaning of industry is hard work. Distress, extreme sorrow or pain. Bemoaned, expressed sorrow over something. When you are expressing sorrow over something happened, okay, we call it as bemoaned. Untiring of a person or their actions, continuing at the same rate without getting tired. When someone is doing something continuously without getting tired and they are doing the work with that same rate of speed, we call it as untiring. And I hope you are clear with all these new words, right? It's very easy. Now we are moving on to our Did You Know? The fairy tales by the Grimm brothers have been translated into more than 160 languages. This story is written by Grimm brothers and they have written so many fairy tales and it have been translated into more than 160 languages. The Brothers Grimm Fairy Tale Festival in Hana started in 1985. Okay, based on their fairy tale, they have been celebrating a festival in Hana, in a place named Hana, started in 1985 in the park of Philipsray Palace and has enchanted more than 1 million visitors so far. Okay, and in 1896 a statue in honor of the brothers Grimm was erected in the market square in Hana. It now marks the starting point of the German fairy tale route. Since 2006, Hana has officially been calling itself Brothers Grimm Town. Okay, Hana is calling itself as Brothers Grimm Town from 2006. Okay, children, are you clear about all these points? Yeah. And now let's guess. Children, can you able to see this picture? Okay, can you able to find out what is happening in this picture and guess who is this lady and who is this girl and what they both were doing? Yes, what is the place where this incident is happening? Can you guess all these with the help of this picture? Yeah, and This is happening in a house. It looks like a house, right? And this old woman is saying something to that girl, and the girl looks like very sad and crying. And in this house we can able to see the spinning wheel and the basket full of skein. Yes, that is thread, right? And I hope the conversation between this woman and the girl is based on the spinning wheel and skein, right? Okay, it's very helpful, children, when you see the picture carefully, and if you can able to find out what are all the things around in that room or where that particular event is happening, and with the help of some clues we can able to predict what is happening there very easily, right? Yeah. And now let's read the story and find out whether our guesses are correct. The Three Spinning Women. Once upon a time, there lived a lazy girl. She hated spinning, and though her mother wanted her to help, she just would not spin. One day, her mother got so angry and impatient at her that she started beating the girl, upon which the girl began to cry loudly. Wow, we have guessed it right. Yes? Yeah. Once upon a time, there lived a very lazy girl and she hated spinning. But her mother wanted her to help. She just would not spin. She couldn't able to help her mother. One day, her mother got very angry and impatient at her daughter. So, she started beating the girl, upon which the girl began to cry very loudly. It so happened that at that very time, the queen was driving by. Upon hearing the cries of the girl, she ordered her carriage to stop. She went into the house and demanded to know why the mother was beating her daughter so hard that her cries could be heard on the road. While this was happening, the queen was driving by the road. Upon hearing the cries of the girl, she ordered her carriage to stop and she went into the house to see what is happening there. She went into the house and demanded to know why the mother was beating her daughter so hard, and the daughter's cries could be heard on the road. The woman felt ashamed to talk about her daughter's laziness. Actually, what was the problem there? The girl was very lazy and she couldn't able to spin because she didn't like to spin, right? But the woman felt ashamed to tell that to the queen, to talk about her daughter's laziness. So the woman lied to the queen that I cannot make her stop spinning at all. She was always spinning and she wants to spin on and on forever. I am a very poor lady and I cannot get so much flax for her to spin. Like that the woman told the queen. Hearing this, the queen answered, this is the best news I have heard. I just love spinning. And I am happiest when the wheels are humming. Send your daughter with me to the palace. I have got enough flax. She can spin to her heart's content. And what the queen was saying, this is the best news I have heard. I just love spinning and I am very happy when the wheels are humming. So, send your daughter with me to the palace. I have got enough flax with me. So, I will give your daughter all the flax I have. She can spin to her heart's content. And it's really interesting, right? And children, I hope you are clear with what we have learned today. New words, did you know? And the first part of the story, and also we guessed many things by seeing the picture, right? And all of them are correct. Now let me tell you the home assignment for today's session. Read chapter 5, The Three Spinning Women, New Words and Did You Know in your concept book, page number 83 and 84 thoroughly, children. And also you have to guess the remaining part of the story and predict the story using your imagination and write it with suitable illustration. Children, think well and predict what will happen after this part of the story, and you have to write it more creatively using your imagination, and you can also draw pictures and illustrations to make it more creative, and hand in your completed home assignment in grade 5 English Google Classroom. Children, drink more water, eat healthy food, reduce your screen time, don't use mobile phone and television often. Stay home and stay safe, children. Thank you so much.